Hey guys, James Paradise here. Hey, listen, in this video, real quick, just a real quick short video, I'm going to show you how you can post one ad on social media, and I'll show you exactly where to post it. I'll show you exactly what to say, and I'll show you how to get 3 to 5 minimum highly qualified clients that will actually book, schedule, and pay you to help them do exactly what I'm going to tell you how to do right here, right now. So let me show you what to do. Okay, the first thing I do is I have this crazy creative little ad that I post all over social media every day. So I get up in the morning, and the first thing I do is I post this ad, and then I do a little 30-minute exercise, okay? The ad is amazing. Okay, the ad is really, really, really important because it says something like this. You're not going to believe how simple it is. I can show you how to get 3 to 5 qualified paying clients every day. That's it. Worldwide. Worldwide. That's the key. So we're talking about getting 3 to 5 people every day that will send you money, and I'll go over the money in a minute, in all over the world, because the internet is all over the world. Social media is all over the world, right? So we got about 60 to 65 countries where people will send you money. They're interested in exactly what I'm offering and exactly what I'm going to teach you how to offer. And yes, they will send you money to teach them how to do the same thing, which is what I'm doing right now. So what happens is this. They click on the ad, and then they go watch a very short 15-minute presentation. It's really short, very quick, like I'm talking right now, but it tells them exactly what they need to do, step by step, ABC, 1, 2, 3, how to get 3 to 5 high-paying clients every day. How high paying? I'm going to tell you the money right now. So I have people hire me from this ad in this system I'm telling you how to develop, and they pay $1,500 up to $25,000. Yes, $1,500 up to $25,000 for me and my team to show them how to scale their online business and make more money online using my very simple 3-step system, which is what I'm going to show you how to do, and I'm doing it right now. So what happens is they click on the ad, they watch a very short 15-minute video presentation, which I have and I will give to you, and then they click on a button. And it's right below the video, like here, and they go schedule an automated live strategy call, complimentary, no charge, and we get them on the phone and explain exactly what I'm explaining to you right now. Now, about 99.9% of the people that actually get on the call, right, they are interested. They want to do the business. So like, James, show me how to make this money all over the world with your 3 simple step system, okay? And then every single person always says, I'm in, I want to do it. But then it's just finding how the money that they can send you, what level they can come into the program. And there's 3 different programs. Okay, the first program is called We Show You How to Do It. The second program is called We Do It For You. And the third program is called We Do It Live. So there's 3 options to get them started so they can start making money. Now, what you can do is you can click on the link in the description below or simply just give me a call. I've got my WhatsApp number, I have my email, and I'm going to give you all my social media accounts so you can contact me right now. And then I will get you on a live call. I will show you exactly within 15 minutes exactly how I make this money. And sometimes you can have a $10,000 or more day. That's right. Let me say it again. I will show you how to have a $10,000 profitable day in one day on one call in 1 hour. So click the link below or just send me your info, WhatsApp me. You can send me a WhatsApp right now and email me, or just keep watching my videos until you're ready to start making $10,000 in one day.